Hi, have you been looking for how to get good quality podiatry services? Or, have you tried booking appointments with series of podiatrists and none seems to have appointments? Worry yourself no more, because Excellent Care First Podiatry is available to meet all your needs and more. In Excellent Care First we treat all foot-related ailments such as ankle and lower leg conditions and foot injuries resulting from accident. In Excellent Care First you don't have to wait weeks or months for an appointment, because we offer immediate response and we deliver the most professional foot care in our clinics at South West London, South East London, or at the comfort of your home. Call us now to book appointment with one of our podiatrists. For more information about other services that we offer, you can reach us on our telephone number 0740 423 8459. And you can send us a mail at info@excellentcare1st.co.uk. And you can also visit our YouTube channel for more educational videos on podiatry and major foot problems with the link below. Our address is located at Nightingale House 105 Nightingale Lane, Balham, London, SW128NB. Or Island Business Centre 18 to 36 Wellington Street, Woolwich, London, SE186PF.